Shadowhome has asked, how do you know what the ideal die size for the crimper? Do the letters mean anything or does it vary by crimper? The letters do vary by crimper, so no, they don't mean anything, except that I do have documentation in my toolkit where I have documented that this tool for that particular size terminal with a particular size of wire, I use the E-size die. So it is just for our reference. They don't actually mean anything there. Now, for determining the correct size of die to use, it is that trial and error process that we talked about, and this is something that I do go through in good detail in the course. I go through the trial and error process for a particular application, showing you what you're looking for. We show the successful crimp at the end, obviously, but we also show a couple of unsuccessful crimps in there as well, so you can see what happens when the die size selection hasn't been correct. Specifically what you're looking for there typically though is that it is a really nice tight crimp, but it's not over crimped. If you can get the manufacturer's specification for that particular terminal, they will have documentation on the finished crimp width and the crimp height, which you can measure with some vernier calipers to make sure that you're in that range. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy that likes to expand his knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about tidally bundling a section of wiring harness, correctly splicing a single wire out to multiple wires that might need to head to the various sensors in your engine bay, and the materials and tools suitable for use in a motorsport environment. You'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.